All right, guys, so I had to pause the time lapse for just a second because this deck is starting to show its age, and I just want to get this on film and kind of show what we're thinking about doing to fix it and combat what we got going on here. So if you look, you can see the deck is actually, the header board here is actually bowed away from the deck. And if you look into the crack, you can see all the joists aren't even connected to the nails anymore. So we've got a little bit of a pickle right here. And what I'm thinking about doing is just jacking up each joist, running some of these ledger bolts in and clamping everything back together. Hopefully it'll have enough strength to be able to pull this double header back in. All right, guys, so now that we got that taken care of, we can really start ripping into this deck, get it torn apart, and get it ready for new deck boards to go back on top of it. So this lady bought this house, and the frame of the deck looked pretty bad when we got everything apart, but most of the time when you have a wood deck like this, you can get away with replacing the boards 2, maybe even 3 times, depending on the condition of your frame, how much sunlight gets to it, and a bunch of other factors. But the frame of this deck looks really, really good overall. All right, so we're back for our second day here at the deck, and we've got this header beam looking super nice here with these lag bolts pulling it back together, so I'm feeling really good about that. But one thing we're gonna do on these joists before we lay the new deck boards is go ahead and put some joist tape on top of them. So what that's gonna do is it's gonna seal any of the old nail holes or any cracks or anything that could be there from the old boards that we ripped off. And that'll ensure that no water gets down the inside of the boards and actually rots the joist out from the inside. So that'll make sure that this frame lasts the entire life of all the deck boards we're getting ready to put on. And it should be nice and solid for her, so she doesn't have to worry about it ever again. And now that we're at this point, it's pretty much just get the tape down, get the deck boards on, and rebuild the deck from the ground up. So I hope you guys enjoy this time lapse. And as always, if you have any questions about anything that we are doing on this deck or any of our other projects, please be sure to leave them in the comments section. And with that, I'll be quiet and I'll let you guys just enjoy watching this deck come together. It's the end of the video now.
This is my outro now.
All right, guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the time lapse of throwing this deck together, because we enjoyed putting it together and it turned out super nice. And I guess at this point, I need to get a lot better about making sure I have charged GoPro batteries so that I can finish my outros for all of these videos. But that deck turned out super nice. We ended up picture framing the entire deck, as you saw, with the fascia boards. And we took our electric planer and went across the edge of the fascia board right in front of the steps, so that there's a perfectly smooth transition from the deck boards going down the steps, so there's absolutely nothing that she could trip on as she's going up and down the steps. She was extremely happy with how the deck turned out. She couldn't believe that we reused the old frame. And really, when you do a deck like that, as long as you can cover up the old frame, now she can restain it, repaint it, do whatever she wants to with it, and it'll all look exactly the same from the outside. So anybody looking at it will have no idea that that's actually the original frame. But with that, I hope you guys enjoyed this project and enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, please be sure to leave them in the comments section. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video, because it does help spread the channel across YouTube. And with that, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.